What's up, everybody? I am currently headed to the Ozarks. I'm gonna meet up with my friend.
Next light, turn left.
I'm gonna meet up with my friend Kenzie, and we're gonna do some hikes today. Hopefully 2 different ones. And then we're gonna car camp tonight because it's very rainy. So we're just gonna sleep in our cars. At least I think that's the plan currently. You guys have met Kenzie before. She's been in one of my videos in the past, her and Ethan, her fiance. The hikes we're doing are both waterfall hikes. So I'm excited about that because obviously it's been raining. They should look pretty good. So I'm excited about that.
Let me tell you something, your 30s are your best, not your 20s.
We're here! Where could I park? I'm gonna go park over here. I don't know if she's here yet. It looks like I beat Kenzie here, so basically just gotta hang out and wait for her to get here. I found her. But now we gotta go back. We're going to Buffalo Outdoor Center because she has to go to the bathroom. So I'm hopping in her car. It's just up the road, so. And then we'll come back here. We're finally getting started. We did go to the outdoor center and we ran in. I did not film, I didn't take my camera in, but I was waiting on Kenzie because she went to the bathroom, and so a woman came out and I looked because I thought it might be Kenzie, and it was actually the governor of our state. So Sarah Huckabee Sanders is in the area today apparently. So, and I had to do a double take, but then we saw him rolling out like 4 Escalades deep, so it's definitely them. But yeah, we're doing the Lost Valley Trail first. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us too bad, but it's supposed to, so I don't know. Kenzie's done this trail, but she said she's never climbed in the cave. We'll see what ends up happening, or if we go in the cave, because it looked kind of worse than anything I imagined. That's why I was like, maybe I shouldn't have watched it. To be determined.
It's not as sturdy as it looks. Okay, well, you're in it. Stronger. There you go.
Woohoo! What do we say this trail was? Like 2.3? I think it's like 2.3 total.
A little like backhouse road or whatever.
Those rocks are huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, wasn't that bad. You first. Where do we go? I don't know. How about I just come in a little bit? I guess we could go through. Oh yeah, we can go through here. It is kind of slick, so just FYI. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Well, we might as well see what's up there. It's the path I was talking about a while ago. Okay. Yeah.
Among the boulders.
Yeah. Literally.
The water falling off today.
I know, I was like, is it raining or is it just where we're standing? I think it's where we're just standing. It's very wet. and humid. Okay. This is so cool. It's cool. Yeah, you do. But I want to see this little hole. Oh shoot. Oh wow. Oh, you can go down there. Okay. That's the view. Very cool.
Isn't that cool?
I think I'm gonna go back this way. Seems less sketchy. But that's neat. Now we gotta go up the steps, I guess. Oh, it's getting cooler. You feel that?
I forgot to grab a chair. Okay.
I brought two. I was like, just in case. Yep, let's go down there. So that's that waterfall you saw on the other side. Did you see light?
Is this the cave?
Is this it? I mean, it's still really cool, even if it was. Yeah, I do not feel like we're in Arkansas, though.
Ponca is like the mecca.
Oh, I know. I think it's the prettiest place in Arkansas. This whole area. Yeah. Actually, it was with you, I think. You know the time.
That was a bad first time.
First hike, first backpacking trip.
Well, you know,
It was
we
awful.
gambled on it and we didn't win.
So it was like 7 miles. We went up to Missouri and like I didn't know what I was doing, so like I probably packed super improperly. I way overpacked, that's for sure. It snowed. We slept in hammocks.
It was like not
No
that,
underquilt.
not that scenic.
It wasn't pretty. There was like nothing to look at. There was one little bitty view. It snowed on us in the middle of the night.
Trees in front of it.
Yeah. And I got sick, like literally midway through. I could feel it. I got like a cold or whatever.
We were just sleeping in hammocks in the
We had
snow.
no underquilt, literally just a hammock and my sleeping bag, which was like a Walmart sleeping bag. It was awful. I didn't,
I think I might have had an underquilt at that point.
You might have. I had nothing. I had that sleeping bag. I did not go hiking or backpacking again for many, many years after that because I was traumatized. But now here we are. We're back at it. Oh wow. Oh, this is cool. This is crazy. It's huge. I heard it was huge, but it's like huge. Woohoo! We made it.
On the wobble rock.
Good lord. Let's not twist our ankle here. It gets kind of dark back here. This cave is so massive. Like, I don't know if you could tell in the video how big it really is, but I mean, oh wow. Oh. Yeah, it's a little dark. Wow. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I definitely got that on video.
Clip it. I just went. I was like butt to the ground.
Smart, you did it very smooth. That was like the most controlled fall I've ever seen. Where did this way? I guess? Yeah? Yeah, this way looks not as sketchy. Yeah. Yeah, that was better. This is Eden Falls, I think. It's so pretty. It's pretty. Eden Falls Cave. Oh boy. Steps. And steps and more steps.
Belly crawl a little.
I don't know about belly crawling.
Like,
these people just told us.
And then
Yeah,
we got to strip. We got to ditch our backpack.
Yeah, these people just are like, are you going to go all the way through? And we're like, we don't know. And they're like, well, you're going to have to belly crawl and leave your backpack, but it's worth it.
And we have to get our lights out.
Yeah, I need to. Yeah, hold on, we got to get our light out.
Is that what it's called?
Okay, we've got our lights and flashlights.
Goodbye.
We are not belly crawling. I'm not. She might.
I don't know yet.
She might.
We're going to see.
But apparently they said it's hard to find though.
Yeah.
We're just going to look around until we decide we're done looking around. Alright.
Hey.
Here we go. Oh boy, be careful. Be careful.
We're doing it.
Woo! We're doing the thing.
First step is done.
Is that the hole?
It might be a little sketch after this. Unless that's it.
I wonder if that is the hole. This is way sketchier than I thought.
Really?
Kinda, yeah.
I just thought I'm not crawling on my stomach. Or in a tight space.
Are you in water?
Yeah, we're
Oh.
this
I just realized. I think we should go a little further.
is so cool. I love this.
Is that the hole? Yeah? Or no? Oh well.
It gets pretty low, actually.
What?
It gets pretty low through here. No one's like on their stomach though. Look how far we've come already.
Yeah. You want to try and go a little further at least?
Yeah, let's see.
Alright.
Let's see what it looks like.
Look at that.
And if it gets sketchy, we can
Yeah.
bounce.
Yeah. We don't know if we're in the right spot or not. I don't know. I don't know. At least I can stand up right here.
Are they coming back? I'll look at it in a minute.
I can see him. He's crawling down there. He's bear crawling. I think he ditched the backpack. Is he gonna make it? Yeah. Open my backpack. I'll be okay there. Nobody steal it. But further that way or right here? Oh.
You don't mind?
Yeah, we got room.
I'm tired. That bear crawl was worth it though. I'll tell you right now. Knee pads are preferred. Yeah, bear crawling just like this the whole way. It's not too bad. It's only about 30, 40 yards.
Oh, that's not too bad.
It's not too far.
You're like, oh my fucking guess.
Okay. Let's go ahead and out.
Narrow.
Yeah. That was the hardest part, but other than that, it really wasn't too bad. Beautiful. Oh, can you hear me back here?
Look at that.
It looks really cool.
Yeah.
This is a little sketch.
Isn't it? Because right here, like, we're about to have to get on our hands and knees.
Oh my.
We can always turn around.
Yeah, come see this. Yeah, this is where someone else ditched their backpack.
That's
Or
that
that
girl,
other
I
girl.
think.
Yeah.
Through the water? I can't say I love it.
But like through here, it looks a little bit taller.
Hence the bear crawl, I guess.
I might need to ditch this. I don't know if I can. I don't think I can bear crawl with it.
That's what I was saying earlier. I don't know, man. It looks like
I should have ditched mine with yours, I think.
Well, I'm leaving my phone too, so.
oh geez.
Because I don't have anywhere to put it. Surely no. Oh, it feels so much freer. Surely no one will steal that.
No, I don't think so. I think they're just gonna be worried about getting back out.
What do you think?
I don't know. I'm just,
As long as I don't have to get on my stomach, I'm okay.
bro, are we gonna remember how to get out?
I mean, there's only one corridor, right?
Sure.
Right. Unless you literally know.
I'm trying to see what they're doing. Alright, yeah. So maybe the crawl is not that bad.
Yeah, just for this little small space. It's a bear crawl. It's not like a farmer's dog.
Ow.
Trade it. Hands.
Yeah.
drop something.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, yeah.
Did you drop something?
All right. This is wild. Oh, it's cold. We definitely did not, did we?
I don't see another way.
I thought we crawled from down there.
Just let me see where they
I was gonna say, keep an eye on those people. This is not the way we came. I know that much. Is it go? Okay. This is not the way we came. At all. That's why I'm confused. I don't know.
No.
Just keep an eye on them. Don't lose them. What? We did not come this way. That's why I'm confused.
It's freaking short now, up here.
What?
Bear crawling up here now. So
Okay.
maybe that's the...
Sure.
What do you think?
I'd say we keep following for now. Oh. What in the world?
Oh, here's my bag.
Huh?
Here's my bag.
Oh. Oh. This is an easier way. Oh my gosh. This was way easier. Bruh. Okay, this is the easy way. The way back, this is the way to go.
How did I in here?
I don't know.
How did I get this thing this far? Or did we come? No, we didn't come.
No, we were crawling. Go straight forward. That's where we came from. Yeah. Yep. Because that's when I was like, oh.
Yeah. Let me get this backpack on.
Actually, I think that was like right here.
Huh?
Right through there, right? Is that where they went?
No, we lost them.
I think it's through there. Because I remember this lip.
Yeah.
Just watch your head. Yeah, yeah. I feel like we're on like another planet or something. yeah.
Oh, you mean we didn't have to call that one?
No, apparently not. Apparently we just did it for fun.
It was kind of fun.
It was interesting. I don't know about fun. Where is my backpack? Oh, there it is. I'm tired. Crazy. Oh, that was so cool. That was the coolest thing I've probably ever seen.
Opened up a new hobby.
New hobby, huh?
To invest in knee pads.
But you know, if you go that one way on the right, you didn't really need them.
No.
If you go the hard way.
But you don't know.
Yeah, you don't know unless somebody tells you. Well, I feel like I just conquered a fear of mine. I don't know. That was crazy.
I never would have thought that I would like something
I didn't actually
like that.
think I was gonna do it. I didn't. I really did not think that was gonna happen.
I was so like enthralled with the experience. I didn't even stop to take one picture. I was just like,
So that was super cool. I thought I was gonna go to the, yeah, I know, like, we're a little dirty now, but it was worth it. Oh yeah, my legs are definitely tired right now. I am tired right now. Not just my legs, all of me is tired. That was so cool though. Alright, so we pretty much showed you everything, and now we're just going back the exact way we came from, so I'm gonna turn the camera off for now. We made it back to the car. How do you feel?
we survived the cave.
The actual trail was only, like, I don't even think it was 3 miles, but it felt like way more than that. But we did a bear crawl through the cave, so. Now we're going to snack real quick, and then we're going to go to, where are we going? Because it's not the one I thought we were going to. Paige Falls? Paige Falls. Anyways, we're gonna go to a shorter one. This one's only gonna be like half a mile. We were gonna do a longer one. Well, actually, there's debate there, but we're gonna do the short one today because our legs are dead, so. We are here at Paige Falls. Well, we're not here. We're at the beginning of the trail. But the trail's only, what did we say, 0.4?
Yep.
Total? So, short. See water.
Oh, swimming hole.
All right, here we go. A little trickle. Look at that. That's cute. This is pretty. It does, doesn't it? I haven't seen any trail markers of any kind. Oh, you see that bug? Oh, wow. Yeah, this is the other one. It's so pretty. This is bigger than the first one we saw. This is bigger than the other one we saw. Look how clear the water is. This one seems like a not as well traveled.
Yes.
If you can't tell by now, Kenzie's super into photography and stuff, and she's really good at it. There is a longer version of this hike. It's like 4-point-something miles. It's basically both of these falls that we just did, plus another thing called Thunder Canyon. We're not doing Thunder Canyon today, so we're just doing these 2 falls. And then we're gonna head back, and I think we're gonna go eat somewhere. We're both hungry. There's water going under the rock. You can see it. Yeah. Look at this big rock. Like, look how big it is. Oh, look, a little snail. Can you see that? Dude, that rock is soaking wet, by the way. When I touched it, just like wet.
I've never seen this.
Okay, so update. We just kind of kept moseying along because the trail kept going. Technically our trail ended, but we just stumbled upon this cave. Obviously goes way down there. Yeah, it's closed because of the white noise syndrome, which I know has to do with protecting the bats around here, so they don't let people in a lot of certain caves anymore. I don't know the details of that, but apparently the cave
I don't know how you
makes me think at one point the cave was open though. I don't know if it was or not, but
That looks dangerous.
yeah.
Anyway, to
I
try
know.
to go through.
But I mean, we can hear running water down there, so there's definitely like a waterfall down there. But it's so cool because we just kind of stumbled upon this. This was not supposed to be part of our trail. That's super cool. And yeah, and that trail just like keeps going too, but we're probably gonna turn around. Can't really beat that.
We're cave girls now.
Yeah, apparently. Who knew this was the day of caves? Well, I guess we should head back. And then we can get food. Alright, well, we're just gonna head back now the way we came from. We made it back.
Oh.
We just wrapped that one up. My phone says it was basically half a mile, 0.47 miles. Now we're gonna figure out what we're doing for food.
That dog.
Where? Oh, it's cute. Thank you. Alright, we're hungry. We're gonna eat now. We're back from the restaurant and we went and got my car. We were in the Lost Valley Trailhead parking lot when we saw a sign that said no camping, day use only. We just decided to play it safe. So we moved and we came to Steel Creek Campground. And we just paid the camp fee and we're sleeping in our cars in the parking lot at the campground. I'm about to go to sleep, but I'm in my car. Kenzie's in her car beside me, and I'm just in the back of my car, so I'll show you. This is my sleeping bag. I've got a sleeping pad. Phone's charging on the charger here, but I've just got a pillow, and yeah, I have just another little camp quilt. My little lantern. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing crazy, but it's just me, so it's plenty of room. I'm about to lay down and listen to a podcast for a little bit and then go to sleep. Been a long day. It was a good day. It's fun. Another thing, I did not get on camera because it was too dark and I didn't have enough time. But we were driving through Boxley and we did see a bunch of elk, like at least 10 to 15, so that was cool. But I did not get on camera. Alright, good night, you guys. Good morning. It's like 8:30. I slept in because it's raining and it was peaceful. I actually slept so good in this little setup. It was so comfortable. The only thing, like, that's not great about this is this. where the seats are laid down, it's not flat. So you like kind of fall towards the trunk. That's kind of uncomfortable, but since I was in here by myself, I was able to like sprawl out a little bit and it was super comfortable. So my car is good for car camping with one person. Two, it's a little not as comfortable, but I slept really good. But it's raining, so we were gonna do coffee this morning, but there's no way I'm doing that in the rain. So I'm probably just gonna hop in the driver's seat and take off here in a minute and drive back home. I got like a 4-hour drive. Okay, so it's actually not really raining. It is sprinkling a little bit, but it's not as bad as I thought. So when we got here, it was dark last night, so I just got out of the car, and look at the view that's like right behind our car. It's a waterfall right up there. That's so cool. Very pretty. I kind of think Kenzie might still be asleep, unless she's just not moving around. I don't know. Oh, get water in my glasses. This is actually the same campground the last time I was camping with Kenzie that we were at, so that's ironic. I woke her up. Did I scare you?
Yes, you did.
I was afraid
It's so peaceful and quiet, and then it was like...
Yeah, I did some very forceful knocks. Well, I gotta get home, and she's gonna wander down to the waterfall, I think, right?
Right.
Yeah, we'll have to do it again. I'm sure we will. That's it for this
Goodbye,
video. I'm just gonna drive home now, so until next time, see you guys.